All right. Hey, everyone. This is Kyle. Thank you so much for clicking the link and trying to learn a little bit more about the home exercise program that I've put together. So what we'll go through is just how to sign up, what you get with the program, and how to kind of navigate through the app. So let's say you're interested in the COVID-19 COVIDSUCKS home exercise program. You'll come here to my Trainerize Me profile. Scroll down, you see we have a beginner program as well as a intermediate to more advanced program. Main difference, the beginner program is more for someone who may have not been doing a consistent exercise program before COVID-19 hit, whereas the intermediate to advanced is for people who have been on a regimen and their gym's closed and they have really no equipment at home. So that's really why I made this program, is just so that everyone has access to some sort of structure and they can either maintain or even progress a lot of the exercises they've been doing. So keep you strong, keep you fast, keep you fit is the goal. So we'll scroll down and say you want to buy it. Boom. You'll enter your email, your name, your card number. I am using a discount code right now, COVIDSUCKS. No space. Really, that'll give you 50% off, so that way, just try to make it as accessible as possible for everyone during these tough times. So you'll sign up. You'll get an email, and it says, "Welcome to Waugh Personal Training. Set up your account." When you set it up, it'll take you through like your Safari browser. You'll do a series of consultation questions. It takes like maybe 5 minutes. Upload a photo, and you'll be set. You'll then download the Trainerize Fitness app. The app is completely free. It's included, or we'll say it's included with your subscription to the program. I really like this app, and I found it to be the most kind of functional in terms of recording your data and just making it easy to follow the program. So you've already downloaded it. You'll sign in with your information. This is just going to be a test account. So it'll set all this up. We'll turn on your notifications. And it'll be bringing you to the dashboard. So dashboard, it just has kind of access to everything. Your groups, your things to do, and all of your progress that you can upload. So we're just trying to go piece by piece. So things to do really just has like your exercises for the day. So I've split it up into A, B, and C. Warm up, conditioning challenge, cool down, which is what is due for today. This is what the exercises look like. So you come through here, you can either mark it as complete or follow along. You got your instructions. And then really what I like the most about this app is we have videos like directly in there. So you can just watch the video and it'll play and show exactly how to do the exercise. Or you go down and you have all these nice instructions on how and why and what the point is of the exercise. So we'll back out of there. It's like that for everyone. We can hit start now. It'll ask you to do all these fun things. So you can go to the previous, the next. You put in the number of reps you do, and then you'll save it. It even has a nice little timer up here for your rest times, which is just, like I said, very nice and just kind of functional. Make it as easy as possible. So we'll go back. Next, we have the groups. So you're automatically subscribed to this group. This is where everyone who has purchased the programs, both beginner and intermediate to advanced, that you'll be thrown in this group. This is where you can connect, and we kind of cultivate more of a community that we really aren't getting right now, as most of us are in quarantine. So go in here, ask questions, see how other people are, doing with their exercises. You can even kind of cultivate a little bit of friendly competition with some of these exercises where it's like, oh, you got to who has the best times. Really fun. I'll also be in there just to kind of talk with you all and give suggestions. I'm actually going through the program as well. So yeah, we'll be nice and active through there. Next is your progress. So this is the meat and potatoes of the app, why I really like it. we can see you can input your steps, your sleep, body weight, progress photos, heart rates, all this great information to make the program as objective as possible. Again, right now, during these uncertain times, we just want to create some sort of structure to our days. So I really like them. This all also connects to your fitness, your Fitbit, your fitness watch, whatever else you got that you've been using. So let's go to the program itself. Here are all the exercises. So we got warm up, we've got conditioning challenges, which really focus on the aerobic or engine building systems. Hill sprints, so power production, same with the plyometrics, interval running, engine system building. And then our 2 pump days, which are really strength biased and more hypertrophy. Lots of kind of push-ups and squats and what you would normally kind of do in the gym, and then creative ways to load and create more intensity for these movements. So really the main piece of equipment we're using is a backpack loaded with textbooks. I found that to be the most accessible during all of this. So again, what it looks like, you go through here, we have all the different stuff with the rests, videos, so on and so forth. This is all put into a calendar view as well. So you can have it to where it's just like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so on and so forth. The program does progress week by week, so that way we're making gains. And then, yeah. And then we'll go to the more section, which is just connecting your Fitbit, all that good stuff. So that way we can just be as objective as possible. So we'll go back to the dashboard, and the last little bit is the plus sign. Click on that, and that can help you kind of load some of this information in. So you have activity, photos, body stats, and some different workouts. So say you went on a jog after one of the workouts, you can add that in there. And then you have direct message to me. So if you're not comfortable going through the group in the COVID-19 sucks group, you can just send me a private message and I can answer any questions that you have throughout the program. So, use me as a resource. I'm here for you. And we'll make the best of all this. So as you can see, I already sent a message, say, hey, what's up? There's some automatic messaging in there. So yeah, that's the app. Again, really trying to use this to just create a community, create some structure, and keep us fit and healthy during these crazy times. So I hope to see you soon in the app, and yeah, we'll go from there.